Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sam, and I'd like to welcome you to my EyeClarity podcast. So before we get to today's show, I want to give you some ways to contact me. You can send me your questions at hello@drsamberne.com, or you can text them to me at 1-844-932-1291. I want to let you know about my new membership program. This is an exclusive membership where you get access to my content and resources, new information, articles, videos, webinars, even a live Q&A where I will answer your questions. So you'll be able to access valuable information to empower you to make informed decisions about your vision and your health. I'll be offering personalized support and coaching, giving you recommendations, helping you with goal setting, accountability, so you can achieve your goals. This is a convenient way for you to access me 24/7 without paying for appointments or going to your doctor every week. So I'm so excited about this. I hope you can join me. And by the way, if you do join, you'll get access to my advanced workshops in aromatherapy, color and light therapy, nutrition, and physical vision therapy. So to sign up, go to my website, www.drsamberne.com. Now to today's show. Hey everybody, welcome to the program. This is a little different podcast today. I gave a short presentation to a group of entrepreneurs recently. The organization I'm involved with is called SCORE, and they help entrepreneurs figure out how to develop a business plan. And I come in and I help them with their marketing. So I say a few words, share my own experience with what I'm doing right now. Those of you that are following me and are really into the holistic eye care movement, we're having a great time. Anyways, I talk a little bit about the new membership launch, how to work with young people. I'm seeing more and more young entrepreneurs, artists, and musicians, and people who want to realize their dream. And I talk about how you may not be able to find this method of marketing in college, that you have to go outside of your schooling to figure it out. And so I hope you enjoy the show. It's a little different, but anyways, thanks for tuning in. Well, I'm Sam Berne, and I have a health and wellness brand that I started in 2016. It's doing really well. And I would say my expertise is finding underpriced attention and getting the word out, because you can have the best idea in the world, but if you don't let anybody know about it, then you're going to fail. And so in my own business, I've been able to figure out how to tap into underpriced attention. And for me, I think the diversity of having a lot of different businesses in one space is actually really great, because you can apply the same principles based on whatever your business is. Because the name of the game is, okay, what am I good at? And am I willing to commit in the long term to create brand versus making it a sales or transactional situation? So the way I built my brand was developing my community relationship-wise, and I never asked them for anything. In fact, I created more value for them than what I was trying to get back. I wasn't actually getting anything back. So I had patience in that, and I'm getting ready to launch what we call a membership program, meaning now people are going to pay something to enter my community And I think doing it in reverse, where develop a clientele and a customer base and then release your product or service, that's going to be a winner. And I hate to see people go into debt. I hate to see people take out loans and they have difficulty getting stressed out paying it back. And what was really interesting for me at that presentation was interacting with the young people. Like, I would like to target the 18 to 22-year-olds. I had an amazing conversation with a 22-year-old who was starting a business, because I think that the things that I'm teaching, I don't know if you're going to learn them in business school. I don't know if you're going to learn them going to college. And, the information is out there. You just have to go to Google or YouTube. It's interesting. I'm getting ready to start an essential oil line, and I need to cultivate farmers. So I went on ChatGPT this morning, and it was the first place that I actually got some resources where I could connect to some farmers. And I went on Google. I've talked to different businesses, and nobody could help me. So the value of ChatGPT, somebody had talked about it. What a great resource. And we have to be careful because we don't know legally what we're involved with. We can't. I know for me, if I'm writing a blog, it's certainly background information, but I have to check every source and I have to put it in my words, because I don't know what the trademark rules are with that. I want inclusivity. I like different socioeconomic levels. I like different age groups. I want to target the young people. I feel that they need a lot of help. I mean, we all do. But I would like to invite the young people to come and really walk them through it. I had an amazing conversation with this entrepreneur. She was 22, and she was an artist. And she was so inspired by what I was saying and was able to implement the steps, because she's an Instagram person. She's a TikTok person. She knows what's involved. A 60-year-old, it's a lot harder to say, what? I was giving a session today with somebody who was 60 years old who has a business, and she's like, TikTok? And I said, look, I just posted and I got 250,000 views. I got a viral, you can do that. And that could do something with your business. So I want to be there for the elders as well. And 65 is not old. I mean, you're just getting started. So that's another thing. People that say have retired and they want to start a business, why not have the 65 plus come in and say, hey, you can start a business. You can do this social media stuff. And look, if social media goes away, I'm not married to social media. It's just the next thing in line. Maybe something else will come in, but I know how to go after underpriced attention, and through organic educational posts, video, audio, written, I've been able to, create some. So for you entrepreneurs out there that are looking to make it, I think the key thing is to create value, create great content on a daily basis, be consistent with posting what you're doing, follow up by answering people who might comment, and stay the course. It definitely takes time, but it's very satisfying, especially if it's something you believe in. And certainly in my field, helping people heal their vision, improve their wellness is really fun. So thanks so much for tuning in today. Take care. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from the EyeClarity podcast show today. If you enjoyed the episode, make sure to subscribe on iTunes or Spotify and leave a review. See you here next time.